Price increase in Expander GLS Automatic, worth it nga ba? The country best-selling MPV has an upgrade. Here are the new 2026 Mitsubishi Expander GLS Automatic. At kung kayo ay naghahanap ng pampamilya sasakyan, ito na yun guys, swak na swak sa inyo ang ating Expander. Still guys, ang ating Expander GLS Automatic ay may 1.5 liter Myvec, 4-in-line double overhead camshaft, 16-valve gasoline Euro 4. So yun guys, magsimula tayo sa mga nabago sa front part ng ating Expander. Here are the new design of its front grille and bumper. As you notice guys, malaki ang changes niya from previous model. And for its combination light, it has T-shaped LED headlamp. At ang kanya naman pong daytime running light ay naka-LED na rin po. Dito naman sa fog lamp, from halogen bulb to LED for better visibility. Every time na mag-drive kayo sa gabi or tuwing malakas ang ulan, mas makikita nyo po ang inyong dadaanan. Kung mapapansin nyo guys, merong camera sa harap. Ito ang multi-around monitor or also known as the 360 camera. Ito ang bagong safety features na nilagdag sa ating Expander GLS and also sa Cross. Let's proceed sa wheel. As you can see, iba na rin ang design from previous model. But still, it is 17-inch two-tone alloy wheel. Kung mapapansin nyo pala guys, sa ating GLS, ang kanyang side mirror and door handle is colored kid na or kakulay na po ng kanyang body. And guys, the ground clearance of our Expander, which is 225mm, is the best in its class. So let's go inside guys para makita natin ang mga nabago sa kanyang interior. Simulan natin sa kanyang steering wheel. Ang steering wheel ng ating Expander GLS 2026 ay same now with X-Force, with 3-spoke leather wrap with remote control. Anyway guys, ang lahat po ng variant ng ating Expander, from GLX variant to top of the line na Cross, pare-pareho na po sila ng steering wheel. Then for its meter cluster, upgraded na siya from monocolor LCD to 8-inch integrated LCD multi-information display monitor. So next naman itong ating head unit, from 9-inch SDA to 10-inch smartphone link display audio with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. And sa kanya naman pong dashboard, from brown and black to black with brown stitch. Sa kanya namang seat materials, naka-high grade black fabric pa rin naman siya, pero iba na po ang kanyang design compare sa previous model. Ang bago naman sa second row, ay yung center seat niya ay meron na ring headrest. Anyway guys, bukod sa multi-around monitor, may iba pang safety features ang nadagdag sa ating Expander, which is the active yaw control. Ito yung tumutulong sa ating Expander to enhance turning capability sa mga U-turns and more stable sa mga slippery roads, and also to avoid oversteering and understeering. And lastly, the built-in car alarm system. Maiiwasan natin dito guys yung mga unauthorized access sa ating Expander. So yun guys, for as low as 8,000 all-in down payment, pwede ka na magkaroon ng Expander 2026. At hindi lang yan guys, marami ka pang makukuhang exclusive freebies. If you are interested na mag-avail ng 2026 Expander, just comment down below or i-message mo ako sa number na makikita mo sa screen. Again, this is M. Crisostoma from Mitsubishi Pico 7 Santos. Thank you for watching and see you on my next video.